What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So Galaxy Note fans are very happy to see the return of the Galaxy Note, right? In the Galaxy S22 Ultra, right? So even though it's not called a Galaxy Note, but to me, we're looking at a true Galaxy Note with S Pen in the device with software to match. So what makes a Galaxy Note so special, and why true Galaxy Note fans are so excited over the Galaxy Note? Well, besides of the device being the most powerful phone on the planet, like no other, the S Pen. It's all about the S Pen. So a lot of non-Galaxy fans don't really understand why the S Pen is so special. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 reasons why the Galaxy Note S Pen is so special. I'm going to give you 5 features that no other device can do with a stylus and a pen, right? So let's have some fun with the Galaxy Note. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So the S Pen is just not a stylus that you just pull out to take notes, right? It's a complete operating system in itself. So let me give you 5 reasons why I'm making that statement. Let's talk about it. First, if you're a student, a teacher, a professor, the Galaxy Note with the S Pen is perfect. You can open up the Samsung Notes app and it's in a league of its own. This is the best app for note taking here, right? And you could do things like no other. Say if you was in a class taking notes and you wanted to record your teacher, the audio part of your teacher talking, and take notes at the same time. Well, there's a record button in the Samsung Notes app that allows you to record and take notes at the same time. Now, this is a powerful feature. I mean, a very powerful feature. Not only that, it's been around for a while. Look, I used to use this feature in college with my Galaxy Note tablet, and it's still around, and it's way better than it was when I used to use it. It's great to go home and review my notes and listen to the teacher at the same time. Trust me, when I got ready for class or I got ready for a test, this came in handy. It's been upgraded now to add more features such as audio files. You could add PDFs. You could take photos and add it into your Notes app at the same time. You could do all of this in the Samsung Notes app. It's very powerful. So that alone is a standout feature, and it has a software to match, and it's great. So coming in at number 2, the Galaxy Note S Pen is made for business professionals. Look, I'm a business owner. I have to sign countless PDFs for vendors and everything else in between, right? And I use the Galaxy Note for that. It's so easy because there's full integration PDF software on the Galaxy Note that making signing PDFs very easy. So using that software, if you're a business professional, makes it like no other. So using the S Pen is very good for that. Coming in at number 3, using the S Pen for PowerPoint presentations. If you're a student, a teacher, a business owner, a professor, the Galaxy Note makes it so easy to connect the device to a monitor wired or even wirelessly. Open up your PowerPoint presentation, use your S Pen to go to the next slide as you give your presentation. This is a very good feature to have. I've used this feature a lot in my business vendor meetings, connecting my device, and as I'm giving my meeting, I'm using the S Pen, going to the next slide, going to the next slide, not even interacting with the phone itself, just using the S Pen to do that. And look, it's so funny that a lot of my vendors that have iPhones, and ask me the question, why Apple don't do that? I just make fun about it, right? And I say, hey, maybe Apple's not in the business of using your phone as a one-stop shop. But Samsung got you covered. But it's just a little funny that I always get that comment when I'm in my business meetings and I'm using my Galaxy Note when I'm using PowerPoint presentations for my vendors. So coming in at number 4, using the S Pen to take photos. It's that one time that you need to take a group photo and nobody around to take the photo with you, right? You could take your Galaxy Note or your Galaxy S22, right, that you're going to get, prop it up, use your S Pen, stand back, get in the group photo, use your S Pen, right, to take that photo. It just that easy to pull the S Pen out, take the photo, and you good to go. And if you want to start a video while you're in that group session, you can swipe to the right or to the left and start and click the button and start a video. And it is great, right? So you can start the video and stop the video just with a click of a button. So the S Pen comes in very handy for taking photos and video. If you don't have nobody around to hold a device, you can just prop it up, use your S Pen, and go for it. So coming in number 5, use the S Pen as a remote control. Watching YouTube videos, you can sit back and have your device on a bigger canvas. You could stop and pause the video. You could double click it and go to the next video. So it's great if you got a playlist of videos, right? And you got your Galaxy Note plugged into a huge monitor and you want to watch videos on a playlist. You could use your S Pen, click it to stop and double click it to go to the next video. It works very good. Next, if you listen to music, got a good playlist going on, but you want to go to the next song. Again, you could use the S Pen, double click to go to the next song. You could click it once to stop and pause and stuff like that. Click it to play. So the S Pen works great as a remote. Even in DeX mode, it works great. So that's fantastic features that the Galaxy Note can do with the S Pen. So that's 5 awesome features that you could do with the S Pen. And even when you get the Galaxy S22 Ultra, it's going to be great. Now, there's a bunch of things that I could talk about using the S Pen. A lot of people use the S Pen to jot down notes and stuff like that. Look, they got people that use the S Pen for drawing. I've seen a bunch of talented people online using a Galaxy S Pens for drawing and sketching, and it looks great. So that's one unique feature that you can use the S Pen for. Next, using the S Pen on the screenshot, circling and pointing out certain things on the screenshot. Not only that, you can change the colors and do all kinds of things with the S Pen, with the integration with screenshots and stuff like that. Next, you can use the S Pen as a navigational tool to scroll through your device, opening and closing apps without even touching the screen. It makes it a great addition if you don't want to touch the screen or if your hands are wet or something like that or dirty. Use the S Pen to navigate through your device. That's a good feature. Next, make your S Pen personal by having a pop-up menu with apps that you like. Every time you pull out the S Pen, you can have special apps that pops up when you pull out the S Pen. And you know what else that's so good? When you pull out the S Pen, who's your daddy, baby? Who is your daddy? When you pull out the S Pen, you can have a great sound. Look, I've got videos about pulling out the S Pen and having great sound, and it's great. I love it. So trust me, if you got your Galaxy S22 Ultra, make it personal. So the S Pen is not just a stylus that you pull in and out the phone. It's a tool that have great software to match. So when you get your Galaxy S22 Ultra, utilize the pen to the full of its potential. So I can't wait to put all these features to use when the Galaxy S22 Ultra hits my doorstep. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy S22 getting all these fantastic features, all the Note features that we all know and love. See you guys on the next video. Peace.